y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out a few new products. So your girl actually won a giveaway, y'all. I won an Instagram giveaway from Lester's Pink, and they were super kind to send me 4 products, and I'm very excited to try them out today. I think I'm going to do a twist out, so I'm very excited to see how their products work in my hair. As you guys already know, I tried their pink lotion. I love using that. I use that on a regular, and I've also tried their Jerry Curl juice, and that gave me amazing results, as well as my little sister. So I do like Lester's products. So the products that they did send me they sent me a Lush growth oil. So I'll be using this mostly like on my scalp. They also sent me their True Shine Oil Mist, and this will be really nice for like when I do my twist out. I could spray it to give it a little bit of extra shine. And they also sent their Moisture Amplifying Gel Curl Activator. This is from their Shea Butter and Coconut Oil line. And the last product that they sent is the Curl Poppin' Defining Gel. So as far as what's going on in my hair right now, my hair is freshly washed, and I did add my leave-in conditioner from Mayo Organics. This is their pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and my hair is just in a few twists. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add the Moisture Amplifying Curl Gel Activator, and then I'm going to add the Curl Poppin' Defining Gel, and then I'm going to twist it up. And once my hair is dry, I'm going to add the True Shine Oil Mist. So I want to show you guys the consistency of the Moisture Amplifying Gel Curl Activator. Ooh, it smells like a really strong male cologne. Wow. Definitely does not smell like shea butter or coconut oil. But this is the consistency. It looks like a jelly, as you guys can see on my fingers. Looks like a jelly. As far as the Curl Popping Defining Gel, let me go ahead and show you guys the consistency. So this smells the exact same. It's so strong. Wow. This consistency is way thicker. Wow. Yo, this is a really good, you could tell this is going to be a nice gel to like weigh your hair down. But I'm going to just use this for a twist out. I really am not in the mood for a wash and go, so I'm just going to use it for a twist out. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to split my hair in little sections. I think I want medium-sized twists. So the Moisture Amplifying Gel Curl Activator, it doesn't really do much for definition. Like, I have a little bit of definition, but it's not that great. You're the only one I think about, yeah. So I'm just gonna add some of the gel now. Thinking about you day and night, I just wanna get it right, yeah, right, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. So I do see definition, but it's not really clumping my curls too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this little part up.
As As you guys can see, as I work my way up, my curl pattern does get a little bit looser, and the products worked fantastic on this section of my hair. I feel like it worked well on my entire head, but it worked really well on the looser sections. As you can see, my hair is super curly. It is very shiny. It's very soft and manageable.
So I take my Denman brush and I detangle the section. Then I take the Moisture Amplifying Curl Gel Activator, just a little bit, and I apply it to the section. Then I take a little bit of that gel, just a little bit, you guys, and add it to the section. And then I just start to twist. I do a 2-strand twist.
Never thought that I would be your girl. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Ooh, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know we got it.
Alright guys, so I am done with the twist. My twist looks so juicy, y'all. Like, look at these. It's nice, it's bouncy, very juicy, and I like the way it feels. And also the smell isn't as strong as it was when I initially opened the containers. But yeah guys, so I'm going to actually sleep with these twists overnight, and then I'm going to come in the morning and unravel them for you guys. Alright guys, so I am back, and I know my hair looks crazy, but let me explain. So I did keep the twist in for 2 days, and then last night I wanted to give it a little bit more stretch, so I just did the banding method. So that is what I did. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out these bands. As you can see, I have a little bit more length. Usually my hair shrinks up so much, so I was looking for some length this time around.
Stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done.
Alright y'all, so these are how my twists look. So I am going to put some of the Lush hair growth oil on my hands, and I'm going to start unraveling.
Make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when
It looks pretty good.
you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Alright guys, so I think I took out all the twists, and this is how it's looking so far. So my hair feels really soft. There's not much of a hold, so I'm not sure how long this is gonna last, but I do like the definition and I love how my hair feels. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my curls.
And waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're
They kind of separate on their own.
this time. Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love.
Y'all, I love how my hair feels. My hair is so soft. Wow. So this is how my hair looks so far, being fluffed out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff the other side and I'll be right back.
Nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love?
Alright guys, so this is my hair after using the pick to fluff it a little bit and also adding the jam to my edges. So now I'm going to take their mist. This is their True Shine Oil Mix. This is their True Shine Oil Mist. And I'm going to use this just to give myself a little bit of shine. This smells really good. You know what this smells like? Remember when we used to get relaxers and they would have the oil that would come with like the Just For Me box relaxer? That's what this smells like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start spraying. So these are the final results, you guys. I think they look really, really good. Honestly, I love how my hair looks and I love how it feels, but I'm not surprised, y'all. It's Luster's. They have amazing products. They've been around for forever. I use their pink oil lotion. I use their Jerry curl stuff, so I wasn't surprised that this turned out good. The only thing that caught me off guard is that the holds on this is so soft, you guys. I used 2 gels. I used an amplifying moisturizing gel and I also used an actual curl activating gel. In my hair, you guys, it's such a soft hold, which I was not expecting. It's probably a 1 out of 10 on the hold. It almost feels like I used a butter to do this twist out. But other than that, I really like it. I think I want to try these products again, but I want to do a wash and go. So let me know if you guys will be interested in seeing that video. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys want to see a wash and go tutorial using these products. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I do post Sundays, Thursdays, and Fridays at noon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.